Check out this Honda 2009 Civic Si. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 197 horsepower, 2.0L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, center console, full with covered storage, clock, in-radio display and cruise control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.